Hi guys, Romanian Prepper here. So I just wanna show you my EDC. Okay. First, it's a bandana. It's here. Next, it's my mobile phone. It's an HTC. It's a cool phone. It's okay. The cheap Samsung, I changed it. Next, my wallet. It's a little bulky because I carry here this flashlight with a AAA battery. It's a cheap flashlight, but it's okay for EDC carry. Okay. Next, my pepper spray. I carry with me every day for defense. Knife, because everybody has a knife. Sorry for the camera. In EDC, it's just a cheap little knife because you don't have to carry a bigger knife for EDC. It's not, the blade is not locking. It's a cheap knife, but it's razor sharp. You don't need, in my opinion, you don't need a bigger knife for EDC. If I know I will need a bigger knife, I take this. But this is okay. I don't wanna scare someone, and I don't wanna kill someone. It's not for defense, it's just for everyday use. Nice. Fire. Just a little big wrapped in electric tape with a keyring attached to. I don't smoke, but I carry a fire every day. Next, a small multi-tool. It's not a brand, it's just a cheap. I carry cheap things because I lose things. This is okay for everyday use. Had the plier, wire cutter, a small flashlight, a small saw, bottle opener, screwdrivers, and a very small knife blade. Next, a pen. Again, it's not a brand, it's just a metallic pen. It's good for car glass breaking, It's very handy. A little tube with hand sanitizer and wet wipes. In my wallet here I have some plasters, some pills for headaches, diarrhea. So this is the wallet and the first aid kit. So that's my ADC. If you had some suggestions, just comment. Okay, bye.